this is Jenna from exercisesforinjuries.com. In today's video, I would like to show you the 4 best foam roller exercises. So for this video, obviously, you're going to need a foam roller. So you can get a foam roller at your local department store, sometimes, or a fitness store for sure, or online. Or if you want, you can just use like a 2-liter pop bottle or something like that. So let's get started. We're just going to do 4 exercises, super easy. So foam roller, not only great for rolling out and stretching, but we can also use it to get a great workout in. So our first one we're going to do is a squat to an overhead press. So we'll grab the foam roller on either side here, feet shoulder width apart. We're going to squat down and press up, and we'll press up the foam roller above our head. That's 1, 3 more, 2, 3, and 4. Awesome, on to our second exercise here. We're gonna do a plank to a leg roll. So what we're gonna do is get into our plank position here, and we're also gonna roll out our shins, so it'll be great. But what we're gonna do is a plank, so straight line from our shoulders to our feet, well, just with the foam roller in the middle. And then we're gonna roll front to back for 5, core tight, 2, good job, 3, 4, 1 more, and 5. Great exercise, both a stretch and an exercise. And on to our third one here, we're gonna do a side plank to a reach. So what we're going to do, side plank from our hand. You can also do this from your elbow if you like. So we'll reach under with a foam roller and press it up. We'll do 5 on each side. 2, 3, good job. 4, 1 more, and 5. Switch sides. So go on to our other side here, really working the side abs. Press up, straight line. 1, 2, good job. 3, 4, 1 more, and 5. Great work. On to our last exercise, our 4th one here. We're gonna do inchworm, so also a stretch and an exercise, this one. So what we're going to do, standing straight up, feet shoulder width apart. And then what we're going to do is we're going to lower down, hip hinge, and then we're going to start walking our foam roller out. You'll start going one hand to the other, all the way till we're in a plank. And then we're going to come back. And then when we're at the top, we're going to press it up. Again, hinge down, do 5 of these. Roll all the way out till you're straight. And back down, good job. And press up, that's 2. Roll it out till we're straight. 3, 2 more. Straight. 4, last one you guys, here we go. Last one, and press up. You did it, that's it. Great work, that was the end of the 4 best foam roller exercises. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video. If you have any questions or comments, especially about the foam roller or any of the exercises, leave them down below in the comments section. And lastly, hit subscribe if you want more videos like this. Okay, this is Jenna from exercisesforinjuries.com. See you next time.